In today's transport industry, performance expectations continue to evolve. Longer distances, greater reliability demands. At Arabian Axles, continuous improvement is not just a process. It is part of our product development philosophy. From design optimization to manufacturing excellence, we continuously enhance our products and processes to deliver higher durability, better performance, and improved productivity for our customers.
Arabian Axles established in 1986 as a part of Madaniya Group to provide axles and suspensions for heavy transport industry. The specific Arabian Axles Excellence Project is, along with Ebert Consulting, is an improvement program for products and services and processes.
To strengthen our product leadership and operational performance, we launched the Arabian Axles Excellence Project. This initiative focuses on advancing our engineering validation methods, improving product performance, and strengthening our technical processes to support future market requirements.
The Excellence Project is a strategic transformation program to elevate Arabian Axles into a technology-driven market leader across the MENA and African region. We are integrating product development and process development into one discipline system while systematically training and empowering all people to achieve operational excellence.
To support the implementation of the Excellence Project, Arabian Axles signed a technical support agreement with Ebert Consulting, a specialized engineering consulting firm with deep expertise in axle development and validation.
Our focus is continuous product enhancement, improving durability, increasing service life, and helping our customer maximize fleet uptime and productivity. With increasing tougher operating environment, we needed deeper mechanical validation to ensure our axle design not only meets standards, but exceeds real-world performance expectations.
One of the key technical elements of the Excellence Project is advanced mechanical stress validation testing. The axle was installed on a full-scale test system designed to replicate real operating load conditions.
We have installed strain gauges at critical stress location. This allows us to measure real-time stress distribution and validate structural performances under controlled loading conditions.
To fully understand real-world load behavior, testing extended beyond laboratory simulation.
As a part of the validation, we conducted testing while truck was fully loaded and driven through speed bumps, so simulate real road shock loads. During this process, stress levels were continuously monitored to confirm the axle performance within the designed safety margins.
Accelerated fatigue testing simulates years of service life, helping validate long-term structural durability under repeated load cycles.
This fatigue program replicates real load conditions, including braking forces, impact loads, and uneven terrain stresses. This is critical to confirm long-time structural reliability.
The Arabian Axles Excellence Project strengthens our commitment to continuous improvement, engineering excellence, and customer productivity, delivering performance you can depend on. Arabian Axles, the Define Motion.